up, Diamonds and Pearls? Welcome back for another video. If you are new here, I'm Kim. What's up? In today's video, girl, I am going to be reviewing the new Amrezy and Anastasia palette. And when I tell you, when I saw this palette and I saw the pink and I saw the glitter, I was like, I have to have her. So I went ahead and purchased her. I did purchase this palette from Sephora for $49, but it is available on the Anastasia website, as well as, oh, let me show y'all these colors because baby girl. Okay, here are the colors. See that pink right there? You see that blue? You see these? Oh my gosh, beautiful. I did want to mention that this palette comes with 16 shades as opposed to the regular palettes that come with 14. Let me show y'all this palette. This is the Jackie Aina palette, and as you can see, it only comes with 14 shades. But this one came with 16. So I'm assuming that's why this one cost a little bit more than their regular palettes. I did go ahead and swatch all 16 shades, and this is what they look like right here. And from wrist to elbow, we have Wasted, Barb, Liddy, Cupcake, Dragon, Leo, Gemini, Gorgina, Reezy, Anastasia, New Yorker, OG, Simsa, 1988, BK, and Hugo. So yeah, I think that's enough talking for now because this palette has me so excited, y'all. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so I've already done my brows, and if you're interested in seeing how I do my brows, then I will link it down below or put it in the cards. I'll put it somewhere. Also, I have already primed my lids, and I just used my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and it's in the shade Golden Honey. Let me go ahead and moisturize these lips because we can't have dry lips. How you gonna be a diamond or a pearl with dry lips? Nope, 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 no. Okay, I'm looking at the palette, and of course these pinks look really, really good to me. I think the first shade I'm gonna go into is OG, and this is what it looks like right here. And the brush that I'm gonna be using is this one by Morphe, and it's their 330. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this color. I'm not sure if you can tell that it is kicking back a little bit in the pan. So just make sure you dust it off a little bit. And I'm going to use this shade as a transition. So OG is going on really smooth. I'm not having any issues. It's not patchy or skipping. So that is always a plus. And I think this is a really good transition shade. So yes. I'm just using back and forth windshield wiper like motions to buff this shade out in my crease. That's a really pretty transition shade. I love it. I'm just going to do the same thing to my other eye. Does anyone else who's right-handed have issues with doing things on the left side of your face? Because I certainly do. My right side always comes out really good, but this left side, it likes to play. Y'all let me know down below if y'all watched A Fall from Grace on Netflix. I thought the movie was really good, but I've been seeing a lot of people talking crap about it, but the premise behind the movie I think was really good. I'm just going to wipe this brush off and use the same brush because nobody has time to wash 1,000 brushes. The next shade I'm going to go into is Simsa. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but it's this purple shade right here. And I'm just going to apply this shade in my crease as well. With this shade, I'm more so focusing in the outer corner with the placement of it. And then I'm going to drag it over into my crease, like so. Anastasia makes some of my favorite eyeshadows. I recently became a fan of Fenty eyeshadows, but you can really never go wrong with the Anastasia eyeshadow palette. Alright, so this shade is blending really nicely. I'm impressed. I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. So now I'm just going back in with that same shade and blending out this outer corner with it. Okay, and for my lid, I'm thinking about Reezy, Barb, and maybe Cupcake. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Reezy first in the outer corner. And the brush that I'm using is just this flat brush by BH Cosmetics, and it's their number 7 brush. Ooh, pretty. This is so pretty. This is such a pretty shade. So far, it's going on really, really good. It's not dry. It's not patchy. I love this color. It is so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with Cupcake and put that right next to it. And I'm using the same brush. I'm just flipping it over. Let's see what this shade is looking like. I'm going in with a little bit more of Reezy, just to blend those two shades together. All right, this is what it's looking like so far, and as you can see, I did get some fallout, but I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of my face, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright, y'all, I am back with the final look. Let me go ahead and zoom in so you can get into it. Yes, girl, flawless. I know you saw it. I know You saw it. Let me go ahead and tell y'all how I feel about this palette. If you can't already tell by how hype I am, girl, I love this palette. If you have been looking at this palette thinking, yeah, I like it, but I don't know. Girl, you need to go buy this palette. It's beautiful. First of all, look at the packaging. It's pink. It's glitter. It has gold. Like, this is me. This packaging is me. Literally. And then you open it up and look at those beautiful colors. Like, I absolutely love this palette. And on top of that, you know Anastasia's quality is on point. Do not play with Anastasia because she comes to slay every single time. Like, this is gorgeous. I love this palette. I cannot say it enough. I love this palette. I love this palette. I love this palette. So yeah, there is not really much more for me to say because I've said it several times already. I love this palette. Go get it. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Like I said, go ahead and pick this palette up because it is hot fire. But before you go click on Sephora or Ulta or the Anastasia website, girl, you better not leave this video without giving it a big thumbs up, leaving me a comment. Let me know what you think down below. Share with at least 2 of your friends and subscribe.